Edinburgh is undoubtedly a picturesque city with a rich history to back it up. Unsurprisingly, this has made it a favourite of blockbuster movie productions and hit TV shows. In fact, Outlander Season 3 shot in several locations in the city, from a lecture theatre at Summer Hall to Bakehouse Close, Tweedale Court and the Signet Library. And if you're after a real Outlander deep dive, you can join us on our Outlander Experience Tour. Now, if Outlander isn't your cup of tea, there's no doubt you've seen Edinburgh in other films, like 2018's Avengers Infinity War. The production filmed a scene where Wanda and Vision battle the Black Order, where they try to obtain the Mind Stone in Edinburgh. It took 7 weeks of filming and took place all along the Royal Mile, featured a rooftop battle on the St Giles Cathedral, and journeyed all the way over to Waverley Station. Now, if you thought that was an impressive use of the city, let me introduce you to Fast and Furious 9. The film set one of its signature high-octane car chases in Edinburgh, with the production filming for 19 days in 11 different locations. From the Royal Mile to George Street, the National Museum, and everywhere in between, nearly every inch of both the new and old town was used as the backdrop for this scene. And if you spend enough time walking around Edinburgh, you'll notice just how much of it was filmed. Now, if you're not a filmmaker, don't fret, as you can still enjoy Edinburgh and its rich history. We hope to see you soon at the Mercat Cross on one of our 5-star walking tours.